Good evening. My name is Christina McIntyre, and I'm going to be presenting my unit study for the book Charlotte's Web. These are the Common Core standards that I will be using in this unit study. And this is my performance task for literacy. For third grade, I'll be pulling from the Common Core RL 3.2, 3.3, 3.6, and 3.8. And the group work, group 1 will be preparing a Venn diagram to compare and contrast the story and the movie. Group 2 will have the opportunity to prepare a newspaper advertisement. The methods of assessments are portfolios. Let's go back up. Portfolios, quizzes, teacher-made tests, logs, journals, observations, interviews, and conferences. This is the rubric that I will be using for Charlotte's Web news advertisement. The criteria is content, pictures, mechanics, and creativity. This is an assignment checklist. I would put my student's name, whether they completed the assignment or not, and I have a little key down at the bottom, in which if they completed, I would use a check mark, and if they did not complete, I would use a circle. This is one of my teacher-made tests, Chapter 1 test for Charlotte's Web. And Chapter 2. Chapter 3 and 4 will be together. And I also have included the site where I pulled these tests from. It's www.theteachingbank.com. Charlotte's Web, this is a vocabulary quiz using different words and from the book that they would have to learn. I also pulled this test from theteachingbank.com. These are the essential questions that I will be using throughout the unit for the children to answer. They would either use their journals or logs to answer the questions. This is a graphic organizer. I will use this for each character in the book, main characters anyway, in the book. And this is my multiple intelligence grid. I found this very neat because the child doesn't necessarily have to answer or do all of the different activities. They could choose, and I would choose maybe 3 to 4 that they would have to complete within the unit and the due date that they would have to complete it by. This is a student-led conference sheet that I felt like would be very interesting if the children could answer those questions, and then that would help them in their student-led conference. Of course, it would have the actual teacher's name and their parents' names, and they would list their strengths and their weaknesses that they would like to bring to the teachers and the parent. And this is my summative test of the whole book, Charlotte's Web. It's several multiple choice questions and short answers questions as well. And that concludes my unit presentation of Charlotte's Web.